Hey guys, this is Toxic Gamer Games here, and this is my first video. On this channel, we'll be playing a lot of gaming videos, such as Minecraft, Roblox, and things like that. And yeah, so today we'll be playing Silent Assassin, and yeah. So yeah, this channel is mostly going to be gaming, maybe some vlogs in the future. And yeah, I'd like to hit one sub. That's all I want, one sub. So yeah. So we might be playing with friends. I might be playing with friends. Might make a private server and invite random people that sub in the future when I get maybe 100 subs. Yeah. So let's get right into the first video. I don't know if people think I'm... Oh wait, someone else is recording in this too? I think someone else is recording. Dang, someone else is recording too. So yeah, YouTube. So I also am gonna play Minecraft. My account is basically the same. It's gonna be Adam the Knight, Knight spelled right. Adam the Knight. It's gonna be Adam the Knight 01. I made it a while ago, when I was like many years ago. So yeah. Hi guys. So yeah, I'm telling everybody that I'm recording. My channel's Toxic Games. This is my first vid, guys. And yeah. So I literally just spent 2 hours setting up a YouTube account and all that. And yeah, this is my first video. Right now, really all I have, I don't have much of a setup going. I don't have a microphone, so if my voice so I might not sound loud. I'm probably just gonna be, and I don't talk that much. You guys really hate my voice. Oh, freak! No, freak! So yeah, and I don't curse. I'm kid friendly. I'm kid friendly. I don't curse. I only say freak. That's literally all I say. And yeah. And if you guys want to play with me, just follow my character, Adam the Knight. Knight spelled wrong, no N. And yeah. Sorry, that's my dog in the background. And you guys can message me just by following me. Sub to my channel, guys. Okay. So really what I'm doing is mostly trying to hunt the assassin, not protect the person I'm supposed to protect. And sorry for me stuttering a lot. I stutter a lot. But I'm mostly really silent. So yeah, nothing really going on. And if you guys want me to play with other people, I will, such as my friends and my brother. My brother is younger than me, so his voice is gonna sound, I don't know, Okay then. So yeah. And if you guys want me to play Minecraft and want me to play on what, I'll play on the server you guys want me to. And yeah. Oh, I think I see them. Oh, that's a ladder. Oh, is that them? Oh, that's them. That's them. I bet you I'm gonna turn this corner and get knifed. No, I bet you he went. Oh no, he's over there. Come on, come on, come on. Gotta make this. My video has to be. My video to at least be 15 minutes long. Keep the game going. So yeah, guys. So usually I'm mostly gonna make 10-minute long videos to 15-minute long videos, and I'll play Bed Wars sometimes. I'll play Sky Wars with you guys if you guys want. And yeah, so I play a ton of games. I play World of Warcraft sometimes, but not much. So yeah. And I have a sub goal. 1 sub. That's all I want. 1 sub. If I can get 1 sub or 1 like, I'll be happy. And I will be making private servers that you guys can join. If I get at least 10 subs, I'll make a murder mystery server. If I get like 20 or 30 subs, I'll buy a jailbreak server. And yeah. So yeah, just wanna and if you guys want me to play a game on Roblox, just leave a comment down below in the comment section. And yeah. And join my group, Emerald Guard. I don't have much members, 7 members to be exact. Looking for developers and clothing makers and guards. I mean, guards as in just group members. I don't know really where I got the idea of Emerald Guard, but yeah. I thought I was thinking there, okay. But if you guys can do that and if I can get 1 like, or maybe if I can get 1 like, I'll do a video with. If I get 1 sub, I'll do a video with a friend. Come on, love you. Come on. Come on. Let me get him. Come on, hold tight. No! I think I got so close, guys. But oh god, guys. No. Oh god. Okay, back. Okay, back in the game. Just doing some changes. And so yeah. I'll try playing with the fans, even though I got none right now, sadly. So yeah, I'll make at least 1 video a day. By the time you guys are seeing this, it's probably gonna be like Tuesday. It's probably gonna be Monday or Tuesday. Yeah. But I'll try making like 1 or 2 videos a day and have them uploaded. So yeah. So at least like 2 videos a day around noon maybe. Like 4 o'clock maybe. I'll try doing some live streams when I get more fans. And yeah. I'm just a really big gamer. Pretty sure they spawn over here. Is that right? Oh, free guys. But this is going to be the end of this video, guys. So, have a good day and goodbye.